Welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Williams. If it's your first time, subscribe. To my old people, thank you for coming back. Today's video is on this look. I decided to create something a little bit more dramatic. I know this might look simple to some people, but my kind of makeup or my style of makeup is actually very simple. And the first look that I created using this palette, like I'm still on this palette, guys. Yes, I wanted to create something dramatic and something simple. The first look was actually very wearable and simple and sparkly at the same time, but this one now is a little bit more dramatic. Okay, yeah, so I used both palettes to create this look, but I used more of this one. You guys are gonna see in the as the video goes on. I also concentrated more on the eyeshadow palette, like the other products, like the face, the makeup base, and the lashes and the lip piece. I did not really showcase on this video because, like you guys, I showed you guys everything in my last video, but I used all of the products. Like everything is just here right now. So you guys are gonna see how I created this look. Let me know what you think about this look. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, but let's quickly get into the video and see you guys at the end of the video. Okay, starting off with the nude palette, I'm going in with this beautiful purple shade and I'm applying that all over my crease. The pigmentation is actually the truth, and I'll just continue to pack that all over my crease. And then next I'll go in with a beautiful dark maroon shade, or it's a plum shade. I'm very bad with colors, and I'll just take that to intensify the color that I applied before. I'm also gonna apply that a little bit on my outer V of my eyes, just like to smoke it out, and yeah, so it fits the look that I'm going in for. Then I'll continue with the same palette. I'm gonna use a beautiful orange shade, that one right there, and I'll use that to blend the eyeshadows around my brow bone. Like, I was not in for any joke, guys. I was in for the bold colors, you know. So I highlighted my brow bone with that beautiful orange shade and I blended everything seamlessly. And then I'm gonna quickly cut my crease off camera using my P. Louise base. Went into the Face Pop palette and I used that shade that you see me applying all over my lids, and I just apply that all over my lids as well. So I continue packing that color all over the cut crease area, and what I do is I try to blend the color at my outer V with the orange color just to make everything nice. And then instead of a wing line, I decided to go in with that same shade at my outer V and to wing my eyes using an eyeshadow color. Yes, guys, that's why they say makeup has no rules. Like, I just wanted something soft. That's why I used an eyeshadow instead of a normal wing line, to just wing my eyes and then join it to my outer V, like the smoky area out at the outer V area of my eyes. I'll go in with a clean brush later on to just blend it with the orange color as well. Like, guys, blending is key. I blended everything, went back with my brush to blend the outer V of both eyes, and then I'll go in now with an angle brush to make the line very precise. As you can see, that's what I was trying to do there. Like, they can never be the same, but you try to just make it as the same as possible. Right now I'm just blending the orange shade into the plum shade. Went ahead to do the rest of my face off camera. My lashes, I used the WENIbeauty lashes. For my under eyes, I basically used the same colors that I used on top of my eyes, like the purple, the plum, and then the orange shade to smoke it out. And I wanted a little pop of color under my eyes. For my lipstick, I went in with the nude lipstick from WENIbeauty, the liquid lipstick, after lining my lips with a regular eye pencil. I think that was sent to me by my mother, and then I went over it with this lip gloss from MAC. I look like a clown here, but I blended everything off camera, guys. And one thing you have to understand is that while we film, we do a lot off camera, and yeah, So that's it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share, and let me know your opinion about this Cameroonian owned brand, WENIbeauty. I hope you guys have checked this website to see what's on there. Like I said, there are so many different products. She launched seven different products, face products, and I wish and I hope that you guys checked. If you haven't, please stop by, see if you can want or need something that you can buy. You might just want something, and let's support this brand. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, like I said, press the bell notification as usual, or yeah. So see you in my next video. Before I go, stay pretty, stay slaying, always smile. Bye guys.